Hello everyone, myself Palak Thakur and I am your geography teacher of a class 8 standard. So today we will discuss about our new chapter, that one it is ocean current. Let us start with the introduction. It will occur to you that as the temperature of water increase, the plastic sequence move from one place to another. As the temperature rises, the density of water decrease and it become lighter. And therefore the water having low temperature which is heavier replace the water with a higher temperature. After some time the sequence start moving in a circular motion. There is a movement of the sequence because of the flow of water. As we already discussed here that the temperature of water equates the plastic sequence move from, it will be going to be moved from one place to another. As the temperature rises, the density of the water, it will be going to be decrease and it will going to be become lighter. The water having lower temperature which is heavier replace the water with the higher temperature. After some time, the sequence start moving in a circular motion. There is a movement of this sequence because of the flow of water. A very strange incident occurred in the Pacific Ocean in the year 1992. A cargo ship sailed toward Africa from Hong Kong. While traveling through the Pacific Ocean near the Hawaii Island, a container full of toy fell into the ocean and broke. Around 2,800 rubber toys start floating on. This incident occurred on 10 January 1992. Now a strange thing happened. After around 10 months on 16 November 1992, some of these toys reached the coast of Alaska. Some of them crossed the Bering Strait and moved up to the Arctic Ocean by the year 2000. The region from sea level to the depth of 500 meter is considered to be the surface water. Sunlight can reach till this depth. The movement in this layer occur mainly due to the difference in temperature and salinity. The planetary wind gives speed to the ocean current. As we already discussed here that a very strange incident occurred in a Pacific Ocean in the year 1992. A cargo ship sailed toward America from the Hong Kong. As the ship traveling through the Pacific Ocean near the Hawaii Island, a container full of a toy fell into the ocean and it will be going to be broke. Around 2,08,000 rubber toys started floating on the ocean. This incident it was occurred on 10 January 1992. Now after 10 months on 16 November 1992, some of these toys reached the coast of Alaska. Some of them crossed the Bering Strait and moved upon the Arctic Ocean by the year. Some of them also floated to the Atlantic Ocean from the Arctic. And some of these reached the eastern coast of America in 2000 and some of the toy had ever reached the European coast by the 2000. From the Hawaii Islands, some toy took the route to the Australia. As you will see here in this map 5.2, map showing the distribution of a toy in the ocean. As you will see here that the toy it will be going to be started from the January 1992 and after that it will be going to be distributed in many ways. It will be going to be distributed from the 1995 Australia, Tacoma 1996, distributed to the 2000 to 2003, 2007, and many more.